All AC parts have their own jobs, and understanding them can seriously save you from sweating through summer. Like, did you know a run capacitor can actually keep a charge even when your AC's power is off? So, here's the lowdown on run capacitors and other key AC parts you gotta know. First off, the run capacitor helps your AC motor keep running smoothly by giving it that extra push it needs to stay on. It's kinda like the battery in your phone, but for your air conditioner. When the power goes off, the capacitor can still hold on to some electrical charge for a bit, which means you gotta be super careful if you ever try to touch it or fix anything. Always make sure you wait long enough for it to discharge or use a tool to safely drain it before messing around inside your unit. Besides the capacitor, the compressor is the heart of the system. It compresses the refrigerant and keeps the cool air flowing. Then you have the fan motor that blows the air over the coils to cool your space. And don't forget about the thermostat, which tells your AC when to kick on or off based on the temperature you set. Keeping these parts clean and in good shape is clutch for avoiding breakdowns. Also, regular maintenance checks will help spot problems before they get costly or leave you sweating. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their air conditioners is ignoring that run capacitor can hold a charge, leading to shock or injury during repairs. Always discharge it first. Another common issue is not cleaning or replacing the air filter regularly, which messes with airflow and makes your system work harder, costing more money and energy. Lastly, many folks overlook scheduling professional tune-ups. Skipping this means small problems go unnoticed and turn into expensive repairs or even complete system failure down the line. Fix these by always taking safety seriously with the capacitor, swapping filters every month or so during heavy use, and booking yearly checkups with a trusted HVAC pro. BigHomeProjects.com hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, it helps contractors find solid work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.